On July 4, 2015, a NASA spacecraft called New Horizons was 5 billion kilometers away from Earth. It was only 10 days away from Pluto after flying for 9.5 years, when it suddenly dropped out of contact. But let's back up a little. As of 1989, mankind has successfully sent craft to every known planet in the solar system, except one Pluto. You may have heard the astronomers don't consider Pluto. It has planet to the planets. However, most planetary scientists still do. Which is why we are using the terminology there's a limited amount we can learn about Pluto from Earth, because it's so far from us. Pluto, however, is a scientific goldmine. It's located in a region called the Kuiper Belt, home to many small planets, hundreds of thousands of ancient icy objects, and trillions of comets. The mysterious region holds closely to the formation of our solar system, and it was long time tantalizingly beyond our reach until New Horizons. Its objective is explore Pluto, collect as much scientific data as possible, transmit it back to Earth, then explore further out in the Kuiper Belt. To achieve this, the New Horizons team outfitted their craft with 7 state-of-the-art scientific instruments. Those include a set cameras powerful enough to capture further the size of his city block in Manhattan, from tens of thousands of kilometers away, and radars designed to reduce radio waves. To measure Pluto's atmosphere's pressure to temperature, all of the on-board equipment had to be built to be both reliable and lightweight, because New Horizons had an additional challenge. It had to reach its target as fast as possible. Why? Around 2020, Pluto will reach a point in its orbit where its atmosphere could freeze, and due to the tilt of its axis, more and more of Pluto's surface is shrouded in darkness every year. Pluto completes a full orbit once every 248 years, so it would be a long wait for the next great opportunity to visit. To see how New Horizons got Pluto in time, let's jump to its launch. Its 3 rocket stages accelerated New Horizons to such great speeds that it crossed through 4,000 kilometers to the moon in just 9 hours. About a year later, the craft reached Jupiter, and got that called a gravity access. This way is fly close enough to the gas giants to receive a gravitational short effect. New Horizons was then flying around 50,000 kilometers per hour, as it would for the next 8 years to cross the remaining gulf to Pluto. Going at astonishing speed means that slowing down to get into orbit or land would be impossible. That's why New Horizons was on a flyby mission. West would get just on chance to screen by Pluto and make its observations. The flyby could have to be full automatic, since at that distance any signal to good is from Earth would take 4.5 hours to reach. So the team loaded the ship computer with a series of thousands of commands, called the call load, that would begin to execute when the craft was 6.5 days from Pluto. But when New Horizons was just 10 days out, disaster almost struck. Ground control lost contact with the spacecraft. After 2 nodes working hours, New Horizons had come back online. But mission control discovered that his main computer has reported, losing the entire core load and other critical data. Without that, it was soon reached by Pluto, with virtually nothing to show for the mission. A last moment, the mission's operations manager led a team for 72 sleepless hours to get the instructions, lowered back into New Horizons in time. Without room for a single arrow, she and her team pulled it off. A New Horizons began talking and broadcasting breathtaking images. Those observations have related the delightfully various world, the graph rock, high-altitude haze, possible cloud, canyons, towering mountains, folds, craters, polar caves, glaciers, apparent dune fields, suspected ice volcanoes, and various for pastoral flowing liquids, and more. One of the most exciting discoveries is the 1,000 km wide Sputnik Planetary Glacier. Sputnik Planetary is mainly composed of slowly changing frozen initiatives, and we've never seen anything like it in our solar system. The exploration of Pluto was a great success, but New Horizons isn't done yet. On January 1, 2019, it broke its own record for furthest explored objects when its vehicle belt object called 2014 MUC9, which is orbiting the Sun another billion kilometers far away than Pluto. The world is holding its breath to see what it will find there.